Alright, we're gonna make some coffee here with our Gunny's best friend right there. And we're gonna start to time it. So we're gonna start it off just as soon as I light this little deal down here, which is lit now. There it is. And there's the timer. Okay, so what we did is we stuck 3 of these bottles of 16.9 fluid ounces inside of this coffee pot. It's an equivalent of 9 cups, and you can see right there it says 9 cups, and it is full to that. And the liquid we're using now is denatured alcohol. Last time we were using isopropyl, I guess that's how you say it, isopropyl alcohol, and it left a big yellow oxidizing flame and also made a big nasty mess on my coffee pot. It was like a bunch of black soot, and now we're using just some denatured alcohol. What I did here is I just emptied out this 51% bottle. I don't know if you can see it there. Somewhere on this thing it says 51%, but I just wrote denatured alcohol on it just to make sure that it was the right type of alcohol, wasn't the isopropyl. And we're going good right here. Well, you can see the blue flame right there. And I'm going to turn off the light so you can see the blue flame. I don't know if you can see it right now. So it's kind of dim right now in my shop. There it is right there. It's a pretty good flame. It's actually a 6-inch flame, and it's flattening out on the bottom of the pot. I don't know what the difference between isopropyl, the heat from an isopropyl flame, as compared to a denatured alcohol flame is, but this is heating pretty good. You know, you can see it right there. The lights are back on. Ta-da! And Frankenstein is cooking here, and we're here on my table. And I just make these little 1 3/4 burners. You know, I had 4 on eBay, and I only have 2 left now. And unfortunately, my eBay ones haven't sold, and the ones that I put on C-list have. And you're probably wondering how I wonder what that was. Probably wondering what oh, that was a little flap on my phone that had gotten away. But yeah, I make these right here in my shop on that thing right there. That's a lathe. And we're just waiting for this thing to come to boil. So we're 3 minutes in, 3.5 minutes in, and the last time it took us 23, I think 23 plus minutes to come to a boil. And this time I hope it's faster. Blue flame's pretty nice, I think. It doesn't make a nasty stain on the bottom of my pot like regular alcohol does. But it's pretty clean. I like it. And as you can see on the clock right there, we're about 4 minutes 31 seconds. And we're starting to get a little rumble. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it. I don't know if denatured alcohol is hotter than regular alcohol, but it's good stuff. And I'm starting to hear rumbles. I don't know what. I don't know if it's boiling inside yet, or maybe the pot's expanding or something. I don't know. You know. Let's see if you can hear it. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it. And we're 5 minutes in. And the bottles, these bottles that we used right here, this was these were room temperature. I think the last time it took so long to get it up is because we pulled them right from the fridge here in my shop, and they were pretty cold, you know, 48 degrees. And these one was just room temperature, so I'll do another cook on the other alcohol, room temperature water, instead of having them fresh from the you know, the fridge. And we're 6 minutes in. I think my other iPod, I think it screen went blank, so I had to put the code on it. But it's rumbling pretty good now. I'm gonna bring it over here so you can maybe hear. I don't know how sensitive this thing is. But it's rumbling pretty good. So hopefully we get a good pop, a good boil. Okay, we're 7 minutes in. 7 minutes 28 seconds on 9 cups of water, room temperature. You're coming in late on this deal. Yeah, I can hear it rumbling pretty good right now. I don't know if you can hear it. I want to get a stainless pot. I don't think cooking in aluminum's too good for you, you know. They say you get Alzheimer's from cooking in aluminum articles. But I'd rather have a stainless pot. Don't mind having an aluminum cooker though. I make these out of 1 3/4 inch billet. So this is one solid piece of machined aluminum. And make them any size you want. You want them taller, flatter, or whatever size you want. You can make them. Some of the stuff I work with use these burners that I'm working, fooling around with right now. And I don't know if you guys seen this kind of stuff, but they're this type of burner. These are kind of big, and what I do is I take those burners and I modify them smaller to like around that size. Give you kind of good indication of what this is 2.5, that's 1 3/4 inch. So I'll make this type of burner that size of burner, make it a pressure gas deal. And we're 9 minutes in. 9 minutes 44, almost 10 minutes in. And it sounds like this is heating up pretty good. Going to give it a squeeze of alcohol. I don't know if you can see the wick. I don't want to burn my phone. Well, there it is. It just got wet. So it's pretty efficient. We're 11 minutes in on 9 cups of water. This thing's whistling and doing everything, but it's not perking. But we can hear it rumbling. So we're just waiting for the magic moment. Eleven and a half minutes. At 12:08. There it went, right there. Did you guys see that? We had 12:24. I got my first perk. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. So it was about 12 minutes when we got our first perk. Now it's 13:14. Now it's perking pretty good. So 12 minutes. I've timed 12 minutes for 9 cups to come to a boil. So that was an 1 3/4 bowl. So probably like a total of 2 ounces in the bowl, 1 ounce is in the stem. So probably a total of 3 ounces of alcohol in about 13 to 12 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching.